hands up, oh, keep those hands up for tonight again.